Monday morning, it's a truly humbling experience and an inspiring experience. First off, Mr. Sridharan and everyone here, it's gratifying, and I'm filled with gratitude and inspiration to see how you advocate what it means to be a true Indian first and what it means to be a true human being. Thank you so much for that. After a powerful speech by Rajkumar, I don't know what to say, but a lot of things which he said, I think really make a lot of sense. I have done a whole lot of interviews. I meet a lot of people. I meet a lot of youngsters. Many of them I ask, what is it you look in life? Or what is it you want in a job? The first thing which they say is work-life balance. I want to ask Mr. Sridharan, do you really have work-life balance? So we have seen a lot of debates, 90 hours, 70 hours. I'm sure for your purpose, you have been spending more than 24 hours, and you think 24 hours is not enough. That's that spirit. We always complain, what kind of country is India? A lot of us aspire to go to US, UK, Europe, but we say India is, not much developed. But I think once we need to stand and ask ourselves, what is it we can give? I think Sridharan and all of you here are examples of what is that power of one. What is that one person can do? What can we do as single people to actually create that particular change? Like we have heard, be the change you want to see. I think that's that power of one. Why does it take one Sridharan, to make this particular change, to envisage how do I use technology? All of us use technology, right? We use for Instagram, we use for watching reels, scrolling, watching movies. But that entire thought of using technology to bring together people who have and people who have not. Hats off to you, Mr. Sridharan, for this great endeavor. So I think it is in our hands. The choice is ours. Today, if you see, the world is divided into two halves, right? You have this 80% who think, what can I do as a single individual? And you have 20% of people like Mr. Sridharan who say, what cannot I do? I think that's the change which we need to bring in terms of what we can do for our society, what we can do for humans as well. We beautifully talked about Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. That means the world is a family. But it takes that initiative, it takes that effort to really bring that spirit into life. Use technology to match people and use our will, our volunteering effort to actually create that particular change. I know, I can see we are developing into a positive aspect. I can see a lot of positivity with all of you here. Having spent your Sunday here with us itself shows a deep investment you have in this particular initiative. So a lot of laurels and applause to you as well for investing the 2 hours here. I hope it doesn't stop here, but we together take this change forward and pay it forward as well. We wish you all the best as well.